In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube videos that suddenly become dark on your Android phone. First, open the YouTube app. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the settings icon. Tap General. Then select Appearance. If Light Theme is enabled, switch it to Dark Theme. Wait a few seconds, then open Appearance again and switch back to Light Theme. Now play a YouTube video and check if the screen brightness issue has been fixed. If the problem still isn't fixed, go to your phone's home screen. Tap and hold the YouTube app icon, then tap App Info. Next, tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. After that, reopen the video again. That's it! This is how you can fix YouTube videos suddenly getting dark on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.